If you're thinking about picking up your first guitar, you're in the right place. In today's video, we've picked the top 5 best electric guitar for beginner players, making your entry into the world of music smooth and exciting. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Fender Squire. If you're just beginning your musical journey, the Fender Squire Debut Series Stratocaster Pack offers one of the most complete and reliable starter kits available. Fender's long-standing reputation for quality craftsmanship, built over 75 years, shines through in this thoughtfully designed bundle. Right out of the box, it delivers everything a beginner could possibly need. A classic Squire Debut Series Stratocaster electric guitar, a Frontman 10G amplifier, a padded gig bag, a strap, a cable, picks, a guitar stand, and even an extra set of strings. What sets this kit apart is its balance of affordability, quality, and playability. The Stratocaster design is iconic and universally loved, and this beginner model captures the essence of that legendary style. Available in black, Dakota red, and two-tone sunburst, it pairs a lightweight, comfortable body with a smooth, easy-playing C-shaped neck and laurel fingerboard. Whether you have smaller hands or are new to holding a guitar, this ergonomic build makes a noticeable difference. The Squire Debut Strat features 3 single-coil pickups and a 5-way switching system, giving you access to a diverse range of classic Strat tones, from bright, cutting leads to smooth, rounded rhythm sounds. The included Frontman 10G amp is compact yet surprisingly capable, perfect for bedroom practice, while offering both clean and overdrive settings for tonal variety. Fender also includes a free subscription to Fender Play, their online lesson platform, giving beginners access to hundreds of easy-to-follow lessons and songs. This alone makes the package more valuable, ensuring new players have guidance right from the start. Number 2. Fender Squire Debut. The Fender Squire Debut Series Stratocaster is a beginner guitar that offers both legendary design and player-friendly features, making it one of the top picks for those just starting out. Created by one of the most respected names in the industry, this model is part of Fender's 75-year tradition of quality and craftsmanship. It provides an accessible introduction to the classic Stratocaster experience, with a modern touch tailored for new players. This guitar comes with a free subscription to Fender Play, the brand's online learning platform that's packed with thousands of instructional videos covering chords, songs, and techniques. That means you can immediately start learning songs you love, making practice both fun and productive. The Debut Series Stratocaster itself boasts a lightweight, slim body that feels comfortable for players of all ages and sizes. Its C-shaped neck profile and smooth laurel fingerboard enhance playability, making it easy to learn chords and move up and down the neck without discomfort. The guitar's classic 3 single-coil pickups paired with a 5-way selector switch deliver a wide range of tones, from sparkling clean to warm, bluesy sounds. One standout feature is the tremolo bridge with a removable arm, perfect for adding expressive vibrato and pitch bends to your playing. This extra touch of versatility helps keep practice engaging and opens the door to exploring different genres, from rock and blues to indie and pop. Number 3. Donner DST-80. The Donner DST-80 Beginner Electric Guitar Kit stands out as an excellent all-in-one package for newcomers to the world of electric guitar. Donner is known for providing quality instruments at beginner-friendly prices, and the DST-80 is no exception. This comprehensive set includes the DST-80 electric guitar, a custom 5W amplifier, a durable gig bag, a capo, strap, extra strings, a digital tuner, amp cable, picks, and access to free online lessons from Donner. Straight from the box, you're fully equipped to start playing without the need to purchase any extra accessories. The DST-80 itself features a classic design with a solid build and a satin matte finish that looks and feels premium for the price. Its ultra-slim, comfortable C-shaped neck is ideal for beginners, offering easy playability for practicing chords and scales. One of its biggest strengths is the classic SSS, single, pickup configuration paired with a 5-way selector switch. This setup delivers bright, dynamic tones perfect for genres like country, blues, funk, and rock. Volume and tone controls offer additional versatility, allowing beginners to explore different sounds and styles. The custom 5W amplifier included in the package is a perfect match for practice sessions, offering both classic and overdrive modes so you can switch between clean, crisp tones and grittier rock sounds. Number 4. Donner DST 100B. The Donner DST 100B Beginner Electric Guitar Bundle is a superb option for new players looking for a well-built, versatile guitar with a complete accessory set. Known for delivering impressive quality at budget-friendly prices, Donner packs a lot of value into this offering. The DST 100B features a versatile HSS, humbucker single-single, pickup configuration, allowing players to switch effortlessly between mellow cleans and powerful rock tones. This is achieved with a 5-way pickup switch and intuitive volume and tone controls. It's well-suited not just for blues and rock, but also for other styles like pop and country. The guitar itself sports a classic 39-inch body made from poplar with a Canadian maple neck and a Purple Heart wood fingerboard, offering a warm, rich tone with excellent playability. The C-shaped neck profile is beginner-friendly, providing a comfortable grip for learning chords and navigating scales. With 22 copper-nickel frets and fret position markers both on the neck and top of the fingerboard, it's designed to help new players quickly find their way around the instrument. Donner complements the guitar with a solid beginner's package, including a portable amplifier, a quality 600D gig bag, a capo, a strap, extra strings, a digital tuner, an amp cable, and picks. Additionally, Donner provides access to online lessons, making it easy for beginners to get started and improve at their own pace. The included amp offers enough volume and tone control for home practice and experimenting with overdrive effects. Number 5. Taxin Burning. The Taxin Burning electric guitar immediately stands out from the crowd with its unique flame-shaped design and bold, eye-catching aesthetics. Perfect for beginners who want to make a statement while learning, this guitar blends style with solid performance features. Its 6-string configuration is paired with a premium basswood body, a maple neck, and a rosewood fretboard, offering a stable, well-balanced feel for new players. The standout feature here is its humbucker single humbucker pickup configuration with a 5-way pickup switch. This setup gives it a wide tonal range, capable of delivering thick, powerful rock sounds as well as crisp, clean tones for blues, jazz, and country. The tremolo bridge system adds extra flexibility for expressive string bends and pitch variations, making practice sessions more dynamic and fun. High-quality machine heads with stainless steel knobs ensure easy and reliable tuning, which is crucial for beginners still developing their ear. Taxin's commitment to craftsmanship shows in the guitar's use of high-frequency vacuum drying technology to treat the wood, resulting in improved sound clarity and stability over time. The piano baking varnish finish adds durability and a smooth, comfortable feel to the guitar's surface. Besides looking great on stage or in a bedroom setup, it offers playability that beginners will appreciate, with a neck profile and fretboard layout that simplify the learning process.